This is very challenging, no, kasi hindi lang po siya upper body strength. So hindi lang din siya lower body strength. Dapat holistically po malakas kayo as a person. This event is organized by what we call our group BAC, which stands for Bar Affinity Chambers. Ang goal lang po namin is to bring movement back to the community of Cotabato City.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Para sa akin, doon siguro kami nahirapan sa takbo kasi una-una crowded po at saka hindi po namin control yung labas-pasok ng sasakyan.
I'm from Brunei Darussalam. It is a good event. We really enjoy it, especially as international expats in Cotabato. We support this kind of event.
This event would not be possible, no, without the support of our city government, headed by our very supportive City Mayor Honorable Muhammad C. Matabalaw po.
Para sa ating pong butihing mayor na si Mayor Bruce Matabalaw, maraming salamat po sa ganitong successful na event. Sana maging tuloy-tuloy po ito at sana magkaroon po ng interagency, hindi lamang po sa civilian. Ganun din po, iimbitahin natin yung ibang bureau na sumali din po dito para i-promote yung physical fitness.
Hindi po to talaga ma-accomplish without the participants. 100 participants po yung aim natin dito. Inshallah, sa next event po, more than po ang makita natin.
BAC Games 2023!
BAC Games 2023!
BAC Games 2023!
BAC Games 2023!
BAC Games 2023! BAC Games 2023!